Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email alerts from Flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup and then we need to access our Flow Builder. To do so, go to the Quick Find and search for flows. And from here, you will need just to choose the flows. And after that, we will need just to go and click a new flow. So simply just start from scratch and basically you can choose any type of flows. So here you will find this one. I'm just going to choose the screen flow. So from here we will have our flow that will start and then we will need just to send an alert. So we need just to find an email alert. We can type email. So from here you will find send email and for other type of flows such as the triggered flow or the record triggered flow, we can have the alerts. So here we can go from here, record triggered, and from there we can find some flow. So here we will find the send email alerts. You will need just to edit the elements. And from here you will choose the type of alerts. So if you have created any ones, and basically you give it a name and those are the input values for the selected action. So if you want to have to create a specific or custom email alert, you can do so in the quick actions or the actions events in the object manager, etc. So here I'm just going to you give it the label my alert and you give it an API name, you add the record ID, you search for any resource for your alert, and basically now you have added to your flow successfully. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.